Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to plot JCPS data with XRD in Origin. So for this, first we have to import the XRD data. Here in this XRD data, we can see that the data is in the range from 20 degrees to 80 degrees. Okay. So now here we have the standard JCPDS card matching with this uh, XRD data. So we have to copy this complete table into Origin. Here the unit of D spacing is Armstrong, so it will go here. Also, this percentage is for the intensity. We can set this row as long number, long name. Now, the data in this particular file we are interested in is this two columns, that is 2 theta degrees values and the intensity of each peak. So we will assign this to be, we will disregard all this. We'll set them as disregard so that they won't contribute anywhere. We will set the F column as X and we have GY. Here as we have seen, we have the range from 20 to 80. So we will select only the data in that same range. Also what we can see from this XRD data is the peak intensity is up to 3500, while that is the maximum peak intensity is approximately above 3000, and the intensity, the maximum intensity that we have here is 100. So in order, so when we plot this particular intensity data here in this particular image or plot, what we get is, for plotting what we have to do is we have to select the scatter plot, size of that particular symbol to be 0, and drop lines, vertical drop lines, we can increase the size, change the color. Now in this plot what we can see is the intensity we cannot justify, or the intensity difference in different peaks cannot be seen here, which should be visible, but it cannot be seen because the intensity of the data is very low. So what we have to do is, the intensity of this particular JCPDS card is low. So what we have to do is we are going to multiply this intensity data and plot that. So we will multiply it with multiply column G with 30, so that the maximum height that we can get is approximately 3000 units. So here what we will do is we will plot, instead of G we will plot H column Similarly, here we will plot it as scatter plot with symbol size 0 and drop lines vertical with a different color. Okay, so here we can clearly see the intensity plot. Also, what happens is extra peaks can be seen here because the complete range is selected. We can delete the extra data so that it appears to be good. Here the black plot is our XRD data, while the blue drop lines correspond to the JCB score. Okay, thank you.